So if you ever joined one of my Bible studies, you know that I go off on these rabbit holes because I think God gave letter by letter to the apostles and to all the writers of the Bible. And everything that you read is important. And here's a prime example. Here's John 20, verse 7. And the face cloth which had been on his head, not lying with the linen's wrappings, but folded up in a place by itself. Why in the world did the Holy Spirit insert folded up in a place by itself? So I went off on a tangent. So you have to study the master and the servant to understand why that was in the Bible in the first place. I mean, because we read it and we're like, who cares? Why is it there? But it's important. You see, when a servant serves food to the master will sit down and eat. And when the master gets up and he crumbles up the napkin and just throws it on the table, that tells the servant that he's done. Then the servant can go and clean the table and do what a servant does. If the master gets up and folds the napkin and puts it on the table, that's indicating to the servant that the master's not done and he's coming back. Jesus is coming back. Are you ready for him? Eternity is a long time. Salvation is a very important topic and we need to get right.